Hey, I'm John-Marc, and I have a fun lesson for you today. If you like how to draw cartoon cats, well, this lesson is actually going to be for you. I love cats. I love pets all in general, but I have a few cats growing up, and I still do now. So I thought of doing this fun little cat holding a little birdie on his little finger. So if you enjoy cartoons and cats, I think you're going to enjoy this lesson. So if you have a pencil, big or small, or oh, I don't know where my big pencil is. I gotta find that in my next lesson and bring it out. Anyways, so make sure you have your pencil and some paper. I think we're ready to begin this fun lesson. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Was a fun lesson, and as always, I want to say thank you for checking it out. Well, what can you learn from this lesson? You got a pet? You got something of interest that you like a lot? Maybe you should turn into a cartoon. That's a great idea. So whatever you have an interest in of an animal, if you have a pet, lizard, snake, not my kind of pet, but some people do. A spider. Now that would be a fun cartoon. But anyways, any type of character that you want to turn your pet into would be a fun thing, and transform it into a funny pose or interacting with something else, such as this one with holding a little birdie. That's kind of fun and clever. Use your imagination. Just don't draw a cat or a dog. Put it into a situation that kind of makes you, there's a birdie on my finger there. Whatever. Use your imagination. That's the challenge I always want to have for you guys as an artist. Push it to the next level. All right. So thanks for checking out this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.